All right, welcome back to No Winning, or welcome if it's your first time joining. So today what I'm going to be doing is putting on a brand new transmission mount. It's the STI Group Type N. We're going to bolt the whole cross member back up into the car, put the shifter through the first boot or the grommet, whatever it's called, and then that's probably it. I'm not sure how much I'm going to struggle today. What I basically want to do is I want to get this engine hoist free, so that I can mount it up to the engine that's sitting somewhere back over there. Yep, there. Yep. So that I can put the clutch back on, and we can start assembling to start moving forward to put the engine back in the car and possibly have this running in the next couple days. Possibly. This is No Winning, so you already know how it is. Today's the first day where there's not somebody cutting grass, there's not somebody drilling, weed eating, you name it. Today's gonna be a good day. So I'm gonna get the camera mounted over here to mount the transmission mount, and then we will get going from there. Okay, here we have the transmission mount. This is the Group Type N. I've already opened it before because we had to get these little crush washers that we used in another video. They were for the IAG. I bought 2 sets of that. So here is the transmission mount, right? Let me come see how I'm looking at it on the camera. So this is the STI Group Type N. It looks very OEM-like. You can't really tell from the difference from over there to this one, but this feels like a very, very solid, strong, what is it called? Rubber, I guess. So that one, for whatever reason, only has one nut on it. So I'm going to separate that one, mount this one, and then start working towards getting this on the car. Not prepared, not prepared. Honestly, it feels like it's stripping. Feels like it's stripping. Wow, I don't know why, but it feels like it's stripping. Yep. Wow. It is gone. Let me figure out how the heck I'm gonna get this off. That's probably why there's only one. All right, I'm back. I spent the last 2 hours, maybe 3, taking off the second nut from hell, or Thanos' second nut, as like Abram likes to say. I got 2 words, and Abram, I'd like you to bleep this out, but 2 words for either two groups of people. One, to Subaru, or to the other person who touched this transmission. Wow, you cross-threaded the out of this nut. I spent a lot of hammering, a lot of chiseling, a lot of everything, sawing to get this nut off. So for whoever that was, my arms are killing me from trying to get this damn thing off. So let me turn the camera around so I can show you exactly what I just went through. All right, I didn't even move it. That right there, here. See if I can get it to focus. The nut from hell, whoever the cross-threaded it, Jesus Christ. I banged the crap out of it. I don't know how many times there. And yeah, like I said, I spent the last 2 hours, almost 3 hours, trying to get this off. Yeah, we're saving that one because it's frustrating. 2 hours, 2, for 1 bolt. I could have been done already. But no winning. We have to, if we're gonna lose, we lose big. We don't just lose, we have to lose big. So I just lost 2 hours of my life with that one nut. And now I can try to put the new transmission mount on the transmission mount, the cross member, whatever you want to call it, and then try to get it in the car. And I might just call it a day. My arm is killing me. So yeah, let me get the camera set up again. And yeah, I'll keep moving. All right, I did this off camera, but I mean, it was just 2 bolts that are basically 2 studs that are attached to this transmission mount, because I destroyed one of the other nuts from the old one. I reused 2 new nuts, which are not even OEM or not, but they use 17 millimeters. I put some washers because I kind of destroyed a little bit of this mount here. It's this hard mount, the bushing with the little pins in the middle, the 2 nuts. So I'm going to try to get all of this all in one lump sum together on the transmission. so that I can get this hoist out and start reassembling. So let me get underneath the car and move from there. All right, we're underneath the car. It was a little complicated to get this on film, but I was able to get these 2 bolts bolted up there, these 2 there. Sorry with the sun. Maybe I can turn myself around. Other way. Okay. Okay, that might be a little bit better. Okay, so I got this one bolted down. This one bolted down. This is the front of the car this way. These are the bolts, and these are the new studs from the new transmission mount. These are just some washers that I put because, as you can tell, I beat the crap out of this. I put these 2 back on, those 2 back on. So far so good. I have to still plug there, and then I still have to put the other plug there. You can see the diff there. But everything else seems pretty good. It was really difficult doing it by yourself, but it can be done. I used 2 jacks in the engine hoist and it basically worked. So yeah, this one might be a short one. As you can see, I have Max's hair everywhere. Yeah, this might be a short video. I didn't get to show much on camera because I lost 2 hours with that dead bolt or that dead nut. I lost maybe another hour and a half of 2 hours of trying to get this to work on myself, which was fun. Yeah, I'm kind of tired. I'm gonna go eat some food, maybe get back to trying to assemble the clutch onto the engine and start moving forward. Ooh. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. See you next time.